A missing referral credit in the Ibotta usually happens when the referral link wasn't properly tracked at Signup, or when the app delays syncing the referral event with your account. By the end of this, you'll know why referrals fail to credit, how long they normally take to appear, and the exact fixes that usually trigger the missing bonus to show up. Start with how referrals actually work. Ibotta only credits referrals when the new user signs up through the correct referral link and completes the required first actions inside the app. If anything breaks in that chain, the system may not attach the bonus automatically. The first thing to check is whether the invite was used correctly. If your friend downloaded the app first and then entered your code later, the system often won't link the accounts. In that case, the referral is usually not recoverable automatically. If the sign-up was correct, but the credit still hasn't appeared, the next issue is delay. Referral rewards are not always instant because the app waits to confirm that the new account is valid and active. That means the bonus can stay pending before it shows in your balance. Another common problem is using multiple devices or email variations during Signup. If the system detects inconsistent information, it may block the referral from being attached to avoid duplicate or fraudulent activity. If everything looks correct, the next step is to refresh the app connection. Log out, force close the app, and log back in. This forces the app to resync your account data, including pending referral rewards that haven't displayed yet. If the credit still doesn't appear after syncing, check your referral history inside the app. Sometimes the referral is recorded but not displayed in the main balance screen yet. It can show in the activity log first before updating your total earnings. If there is still no record, the final step is contacting support through the app. You'll need the referral email or username so they can manually verify the Signup and check whether the tracking link was properly recorded. Here's the summary. First, referrals only credit when Signup tracking is completed correctly. Second, delays and syncing issues can hide pending rewards temporarily. Third, missing referrals often require support if the tracking chain breaks. If you want the fastest fix, confirm the Signup method first, then check activity logs before contacting support. Subscribe for more fixes for cashback apps and referral issues that actually explain what's happening behind the scenes.